In this video, I will show you how to elect to open a Trump account for your child when you do your 2025 taxes using a Form 4547 and how to ask for that $1,000 for your child if they're eligible. Now, it's a simple one-page form that you'll submit when you do your 2025 taxes. Let me jump over here. This is the government's website about the Trump account that you can look at for updates yourself. It's trumpaccounts.gov. And it's pretty informative. It tells you who's eligible. By the way, it says launching July 5th, 2026. Now, it says that there's going to be a way where you can open the account on this website and the accounts won't be funded until July 5th of 2026. But in the meantime, you can elect to open an account with that form I just showed you, the 4547. And I'll show you how to fill it out here. And then this has a Q&A at the bottom. Who's eligible? How much can I contribute? Now keep in mind, so there's a $5,000 per year per child. The two big benefits as I see it, because this is essentially an IRA account, a retirement account for children. Of course, they can take a withdrawal for things like education or buying a home once they turn 18. But if your child's born between 2025 and 2028, you get $1,000 from the government. So that's nice. It's automatically seeded. And then you can have an employer contribute $2,500 and it won't count towards the employee's wages. So if mom or dad has their employer contribute $2,500 to their kid's account, they're not going to be taxed on it because it's not being added to their wages. So let me jump right into it. It's simple enough. You're going to start in part one by putting in the parent or the authorized individual. Maybe it's a guardian, but this is the person that's essentially responsible for the child. And simple enough, first name, last name, social, address, you get the idea. Part two, this is where you're going to enter the child's information. Now keep in mind, this can be done for any child that doesn't turn 18 at the end of the year. So if you're between a newborn and someone that's 16 turning 17 in the year, well, you can open that account. The problem is you may not get that $1,000, or you won't. I mean, unless you were born 2025 and 2022, 2028, you're not getting the $1,000. But if you want to open it for a child, you're going to put the child's information here. Of course, their name, social, relationship to you. Are they your son? Are they your daughter? And if their address is the same as yours, you'll check this box. And if it's not, you're going to put in the child's address here. Then it's going to ask you at the bottom, check box if you're authorized to open the Trump account for your child. Well, I hope so if you're filling out this form, so we're going to check that box again. Now, as I've been mentioning, if the child's born between or in 2025, and this is going through 2028, it's just mirroring what the legislation says, then you're eligible to receive $1,000 in what's called the pilot program contribution. So you would check this box saying that your child qualifies for it. So if your child was born in 2025 or even early 2026, and now you're filing your taxes in spring of 2026, you can still check this box to get $1,000 for the child. And there's two columns, one for each child, assuming you had two. And that's it. You're going to sign and you're done. Of course, if you have someone doing your tax preparation, they're going to fill this out here. Now, this can be e-filed. This is actually a draft. The final form may have a slight change, probably not. Probably going to look almost identical to this, what we're looking at, this draft. And you can paper file it. You can mail it in with your tax return, or you can e-file it, which is preferred. And if you miss the boat when you're filing taxes, again, this website over here, trumpaccounts.gov, you can return to it and look for that link. Let me scroll to the top. You can actually put in your email for updates and wait for the portal to open sometime, probably summer of 2026, where you can fill this out, open an account for your child. And of course, if your child was born in 2025 or 2026, you can ask for that $1,000 from the government. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Hopefully you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.